Myself, Aparanjani Priyarshini. We are continuing the Bootstrap sessions.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video.
Sessions. And today's video is to display different headings as well as the paragraph in an emphasized manner. So in Bootstrap, we have the default, or we can say default font, but according to our requirement to adjust our web page, we will have a lead class display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4. In our HTML we will have like h1 to h6 headers. Like that in Bootstrap also we will have a default headers that we can use in Bootstrap, that is display 1, 2, 3, 4, and for the paragraph lead class. So this we will see how to use in our web page. So take a new program, Bootstrap 17.html and html:5, and here let me write the link, that is Bootstrap CSS and Bootstrap .css, and this display I will write display. So here I am taking a container, and inside this container let me take h2 tag, and in this I am writing text formatting classes. So in this let me write some classes of Bootstrap, that is margin 3, that is top, margin bottom is 5, and text center. So let me check this one, the output of this, what we have done till now. So now it is in the center, and here let me write the paragraph, and we will apply the all the classes which are present in Bootstrap. So now here let me take a row. Inside this row, a div for the medium size, that is for medium screen. 4 columns I have taken, and x-axis margin auto I am going to take. I am not taking the other column, so that's why auto I am taking. And text for Excel right. Okay, these are the classes. Now here let me take another heading, and we will see that this is a subheading. We will write, or heading, something you can write it. It's subheading. Subheading. And after this let me write a paragraph around 12 characters, 12 words. Or let me write few more things. 10. More words. So now see. So here subheading and paragraph is also. This is a normal text, default text. Here format we will do so. So this is a column, and here I'll use the class called lead. Now see, it is adjusted. The size also increased. Okay, the text color we will change this subtext. So class is equal to text hyphen danger. See, the red color it has changed. Okay, we will take another row and we will see. Because in this row, auto I have taken, so it has displaying in the middle. So here I am writing another row, and in this row, let me take a div of text hyphen muted. So this is text is muted dull text with some padding. Okay, padding also you can add here, py-4. Now see, the row outline is not there, so the padding is not going to be displaying. I mean, it is displaying, but it is not visible. But even though you can see the difference between this text and this text, this is little bit small and very near to each letter. But here it is clear and the size is also increased. That is the difference between normal text and lead text class. Okay. So now here, let me take another div and we will use some other class that is text hyphen black. Default it is black only, but the text is black in color. Okay, now see here, it is in the black color, but this is muted, and here I am taking this black as 50. Now it becomes dull. 50% of that color it has reduced. Okay, now let me use all the display classes. So like headings, these all are. So display one I am taking. This is the first. So display one font size class. See what happened. This is actually hyphen class, hyphen one. Now see, this is the heading, display one. Now next one, I'll copy and paste just to the class I'm going to change. Here let me take 2. The size has decreased, like H1, H2 only. And this is 3. See, still it has. And next is 4. See, 4th size. 5th is not there, only 4 sizes are there. So this is about the font size and headings which are present in Bootstrap. So here thank you. and we'll continue in the next video.